You do not have an AI agent. You have a demo that behaved itself once. Welcome to B explains everything. People keep talking about AI agents as if they are magic. They are not magic. They are also not just a chatbot with a slightly longer prompt. The moment you want an AI system to do useful work repeatedly, with some consistency, some boundaries, and some idea of what a good result even looks like, you have an agent problem, whether you call it that or not. And that is where things get difficult very quickly. The first challenge is simply defining the thing. What is an agent exactly? Is it a prompt? Is it a role? Is it a workflow? Is it a set of files? Is it a tool using system? People use the same word for all of these and then wonder why they end up talking past each other. The next challenge is reuse. Most agent demos work once, one model, one interface, one task, one carefully staged example, and everybody claps. Then you change provider or model or platform or even just the shape of the task, and suddenly your clever little agent becomes a pumpkin. So the real question is not, can you make an agent work once? The real question is, can you create one that still works when the environment changes? Then you run into output control. This is where many agents become expensive nonsense. If you do not control the structure of the output, the priorities, the decision rules, the level of detail, and the boundaries of the task, then you do not have a dependable system. You have an improviser with good grammar. Sometimes that is entertaining. It is not the same as useful. Then comes the question of scope. What should the agent do? Just as important. What should it refuse to do? What should it ask before it acts? What should it never assume? How do you stop it from sounding confident when it should really be uncertain? Those are not cosmetic questions. Those are the difference between a toy and something you can actually trust. And then there is the part people really want, but usually underestimate. Can an agent learn? Can it improve over time? Can it remember what worked, what failed, what you prefer, what you hate, and what kind of output you actually need? That sounds straightforward until you try to do it without turning the whole system into a pile of sticky, unreliable baggage. Because more information is not automatically better information, and more memory is not automatically better judgment. So now you're dealing with structure, modularity, shared knowledge, evaluation, portability, control. Not because those are academic ideas, but because if you skip them, your agents stop being reusable and start becoming fragile little one-off hacks. That is the real problem space, not the hype, not the demo, not the grand promise that autonomous AI will run your life while you sip coffee and admire your dashboard. The actual engineering problem, that is what this video is about. And in my latest book called Agents 101, available at the below address, I will walk you step by step through how to create an agent that you can reuse across models and providers. If you have further questions, comment below. And if you found this useful, like and share and subscribe and whatever people do these days. That way I can become famous and you can be known for sharing valuable content with your friends. So we both win. Until next time.